Hello, this is Michael. I am currently at my lab right now doing some experiments with new substances. I am trying to figure out some new substance I can try to use. Like for example, H2O makes water, CO2 makes up carbon dioxide, and CO makes up monoxide. But I want to try and combine all these substances together to see where it takes me. So I am going to do that right now. It's finished, my work is complete. Wait, what is happening? No, stop. Please, get away from me.
Alright, good morning everyone to all citizens of Boston. We have just received breaking news that a strange phenomenon is currently happening near Harvard University. This strange phenomenon seems to be some kind of pink slimy substance that's currently destroying everything along its pathway. This seems strange. Where did the pink substance come from? I will talk to my team about this situation while a CEM message will be relayed through this transmitter after this tone. Please stand by for this message.
Civil emergency message for the city of Boston, Massachusetts. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston metropolitan area. At around 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strange and unknown tin substance has broken out near Cambridge Street, and it is currently consuming everything in its path. This unknown tin substance is currently unidentified at this time, but the Federal Bureau of Investigation will continue their investigation as more updates will soon become available. Stay tuned for more updates on this trending and upcoming situation. Immediate evacuation for the city of Boston and surrounding suburbs. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston metropolitan area. A mandatory evacuation order has been declared. At approximately 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the pink substance, that was first identified earlier today, has grown twice its size within the past hour. There were many unusual reports of buildings, trees, and civilians being eaten by this unusual pink substance that is identified as a blob. The blob is light pink, weighs 800 pounds and counting, and was seen at Lexington Street, moving west at approximately 4 miles an hour. This blob is expecting to grow even stronger within the next hour. All residents near a 4-mile radius of Boston should carry these instructions. Do not approach this blob. Approaching the blob will be putting your life in extreme danger. Take extra precaution by tying a white towel on your doorknob or mailbox to notify local authorities that you have obeyed the evacuation order. Do not attempt to pick up loved ones from schools, nursing homes, and restaurants, as they have their own evacuation order. Take some supplies that must be necessary, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio that can last you through your journey. Continue to monitor local media outlets and news sources on this dangerous situation. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now.
So at AT&T, everyone gets our best deals.
Aren't others doing that?
Others say that, but not everyone gets the best deal. Like, what if I give you a lollipop? Then I give you our best lollipop.
That's not fair.
At AT&T, we think it's only fair that all customers get our best deals. And
Simple danger warning for the city of Pittsfield, Massachusetts. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pittsfield Police Department. At approximately 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the blob that was first spotted in Boston has made its way into far west Massachusetts, and it is currently growing at a rapid rate. There were many reports of buildings, trees, and civilians being consumed by this massive blob. In addition, numerous power outages have been made from this extremely dangerous event. It is estimated that around 5 million fatalities have been reported from this extremely dangerous event. It is expecting that the blob will continue to consume the remainder of Massachusetts within the next 45 minutes. All remaining residents in the state of Massachusetts must evacuate the state of Massachusetts immediately. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio that can last through your journey. This is an extremely dangerous situation and should be taken seriously. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now.
A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas. Charleston, WV, at 1:30 p.m. on Jan 1st, 2021 effective until 2:30 p.m. KRLX/NWS, at approximately 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The blob that was first identified in Massachusetts has made its way into parts of West Virginia, and it is currently growing at a rapid rate. This blob is causing catastrophic damage to many parts of Virginia. Many power outages have occurred within the past hour. In addition, there were many mysterious rumors surrounding the blob. Citizens were speculating that the pink blob had broken in a science lab due to a significant scientific failure, causing the blob to rapidly grow. The military and the US government are planning a weapon to stop the blob from growing. Many citizens and buildings were destroyed from this blob. All remaining residents of West Virginia and surrounding areas are requested to take immediate evacuation. Gather essential supplies with you such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio to keep an update on the latest news dealing with this strange and dangerous phenomenon. Stay tuned for more information on this.
Okay, good afternoon, Oklahoma City. So as of now, you've been hearing the news from these past few hours about the blob that have actually eaten 50% of the United States, and it's only a matter of time before this blob comes to Oklahoma. Now, if you heard these messages and everything, there's been rumors about the blob bringing out to a science lab, and that's true. A scientist named Michael Cruz, he apparently was doing some experiments, and one of the experiments blew up and formed a blob, and that's where everything started. So I'm currently getting my stuff right now, and quite. Oh my God, it's sirens. It's a siren. Yo, we have to get out. We have to get out right now. Get your stuff. Get out. Get out right now.
Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma metropolitan area. This is not a test. At 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, the dangerous blob has made its way into the central part of the U.S., and it is currently causing cataclysmic damage across the United States. In addition, over 100 million fatalities were made, and nearly half of the U.S. has been consumed by this blob, and it is only a matter of time before the entire central United States will be destroyed. All remaining residents in the entire state of Oklahoma are requested to take immediate evacuation. Do not pick up loved ones from schools, hospitals, and restaurants, as they have their own evacuation procedure. If you see the blob in your area, turn to the opposite direction as fast as possible. As time goes on, this blob is moving faster and faster, causing cataclysmic damage to occur. Remember to bring essential supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio that can last you through your journey. Stay away from the blob as government officials are looking into the situation as more updates will become available. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous event.
So good afternoon, Los Angeles. As you know by now, the Blob has eaten over 90% of the United States. It is only a matter of time before I get even. All my family is dead, and I don't know what's left for me. My life is ruined. God, help me. Oh no. It is the Blob! No! No! Get away from me! My time is here. My time is now. Goodbye, world. I love you all.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to an end. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the Blob has officially consumed 85% of the United States, and it is only a matter of time before the entire U.S. is consumed by this Blob. Billions of deaths have been reported, and numerous power outages have been reported as these horrible events unfold. All it attempts to take down the Blob have failed. Only 4 states are left remaining, and it is only a matter of time before the entire United States is consumed by the Blob. There is no place to escape this Blob, as the size of this Blob will continue to get bigger and bigger. Stay calm, and be with family at all times. I have selected a quote from the Bible to be played on the air. Be strong. Be fearless. Don't be afraid, and don't be scared by your enemies, because the Lord your God is the one who marches with you. He won't let you down, and he won't abandon you. This station will now cease transmission with one last playing of the national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude this final activation of the emergency alert system. May God help us all, and may God bless the United States of America.
does. Search but you stay lost. we are reaching for the stars.